Do new toilet tank designs eliminate the need for tank bolts, and what are the practical benefits? Many modern toilets use bolt-free mounting by connecting the tank directly to a matching bowl with an internal canister or flange system that compresses a gasket to form a watertight seal. These direct canister connections remove external tank bolts by routing all fasteners and seals inside the mating surfaces, which reduces exposed corrosion points and minimizes the chance of leaks that originate at bolt penetrations. When choosing a model, look for a rigid molded interface and a high-quality elastomeric gasket that maintains compression without over-tightening. Hand-tighten captive nuts, then add a quarter turn with a wrench while checking alignment. Installation best practices include setting the tank on a clean, dry bowl surface, verifying the gasket orientation, and tightening incrementally on alternating sides so the tank sits level. Confirm there is no strain on the flush lever or fill valve. For retrofit situations, measure bolt hole spacing and bowl tank match because bolt-free tanks require a matched bowl. Adapters exist, but add complexity and are not recommended for long-term reliability. Maintenance is simpler since you inspect and replace one internal gasket or canister rather than multiple exterior bolts and washers, and that also shortens downtime when servicing internal mechanisms. Common problems include incompatible bowl and tank mating dimensions, which causes poor seals and weepage. The fix is to verify manufacturer compatibility or choose a full one-piece system that is factory matched. Another issue is improper gasket seating that leads to slow leaks. Resolve this by disassembling, cleaning contact surfaces, replacing the elastomeric gasket with the exact replacement part, and tightening evenly. A third concern is damage to internal canister threads or captive fasteners during rough installation, which can require tank replacement. Prevent that by following torque guidance, using hand tools for final tightening, and inspecting threads before mounting. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find trusted local contractors and share project experiences so users can learn which models and installation approaches worked for real installs. We also help contractors find work and participate in our active discussion community, where both sides exchange tips, product impressions, and installation guidance.